Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on music on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option. Here, in the game settings section, you can find the music option. To turn on the music, drag the slider below the music option to the right. You can adjust the music level to your preference using the slider. And this is how you can turn on music on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.